Your LG dehumidifier removes excess moisture in your home caused by high humid conditions, giving you a more dry and comfortable air. This video will address your troubleshooting needs if you run into any problems with your product. Here are the top 5 common causes as to why your product may not be running. Make sure to install the water bucket correctly. Angle the bottom and then push the top into place. If the bucket full light is on, remove the water bucket, empty the water, and then replace the water bucket. If the auto defrost light is on, wait for the auto defrost cycle to end and the product will resume. If the safety standby light is on, wait for 1 hour and the safety standby light will turn off and the product will resume. Make sure to set the humidity level below the room humidity level. Here are the top 2 common causes as to why your humidity may not seem to decrease even though the product is running. Close any open windows or doors. If the air inlet or outlet is blocked, make sure to remove the obstruction or clean the filter. Here are the top 2 common causes as to why your product may be leaking or dripping. A cause might be that the water bucket was removed while the product was in operation. We recommend that you turn off the product, wait 3 to 5 minutes for the product to collect remaining moisture, and then remove and empty the water bucket. If there are any drips, wipe it with a soft cloth. Your product may also be leaking because of a slanted surface. Make sure the product is placed on a level surface. If this video did not address your troubleshooting needs, visit the LG website for additional product support.